Open source AI now cuts API costs by up to 90% for SMEs. Why are SMEs ditching OpenAI for free AI? What is DeepSeek R1? DeepSeek R1 is a fully open-source reasoning model from China. It rivals GPT-4o on benchmarks at zero licensing cost. Any business can download and run it. No subscriptions, no usage limits. Real cost comparison for SMEs. A typical 50-person logistics company spending €800 a month on OpenAI API calls could run DeepSeek R1 locally for under €100 in server costs. That's a real saving, not a marketing number. Scale matters. Where it wins and where it fails. DeepSeek R1 excels at document analysis, coding, and structured reasoning. It struggles with real-time data, multimodal tasks, and enterprise support. For many SME workflows, it is genuinely good enough. EU data privacy, a critical advantage. Running DeepSeek R1 on your own server means your data never leaves your infrastructure. For GDPR-conscious European businesses, this is a massive compliance win. No third-party data processing agreements needed. How to start without a tech team. You do not need developers. Tools like Alama let any SME owner run DeepSeek R1 locally in under 30 minutes. Start with internal document search or email drafting. Test before you commit. Key takeaways. DeepSeek R1 is free and open source. Cut API costs by up to 90%. Your data stays on your server. Try Alama, zero coding required. Subscribe for weekly AI tools built for European SMEs. Subscribe now.